I recently received a message from a viewer stating that they recently acquired a vehicle that had been parked for like 7 or 8 years. The vehicle started a couple of times, but it died after just a few seconds of running. And man, I hate to say it, but I'd rather buy a vehicle that's been daily driven with 400,000 miles on it than purchase one that's been sitting for several years. One problem with cars that's been parked is that critters get in there and they nibble on things looking for something to eat. So you could have a wiring issue that the wire just can't carry the juice. The best thing to do with that, due to the fact that the car is a network computerized vehicle, is to get a good fresh battery in there, try to start it, and scan it with a dealer specific class scanner and see what error codes you come up with and go from there.